Fullscript makes it easy for patients to review, purchase, and complete their lab testing, all in one place. When a plan is ready, patients receive a notification in the Home tab of their account. Here, Susan can review her provider's message, the SIBO specialty test, and the custom Quest panel before placing her order. Susan can add the SIBO test to her cart and complete checkout directly in Fullscript. Once purchased, the specialty kit is prepared and shipped from a Fullscript distribution center. For the Quest panel, Susan enters her own zip code to view available blood draw options and pricing. Based on her location, she can visit a local Quest patient service center or schedule a mobile phlebotomy draw through GetLabs for added convenience. Both scheduling options can happen directly within Fullscript without needing to leave the platform. Before checkout, Susan can review all order details in her cart. Once the purchase is complete, Fullscript guides her through next steps for sample collection. The SIBO kit ships directly to Susan and includes everything needed to complete the test. Step-by-step collection instructions, dietary and medication guidance, prepaid return packaging, you name it. Once the sample is collected, Susan simply mails it back to the lab for processing. For the Quest panel, Susan receives a digital requisition with the preparation instructions, including any fasting requirements. On the day of the appointment, she can either print the requisition or show it directly from her phone at check-in. In the provider experience, you can track every step in the lab orders dashboard, including when a patient schedules their blood draw, completes testing, or returns their specialty kit.